The board of directors.
Hi, Gabby, what can you say about our women from OFW right now? What's happening in Middle East?
Sorry?
What's happening in Middle East? What can you say to our women or your message?
Yeah, oh my gosh, I am so worried for them. Of course, may mga pamilya din sila dito. I feel so much for them, and I know they're scared, they're anxious, but I am praying for them. They have all our support here in the Philippines, and we're waiting for them to come back home safely.
Thank you, Gabby.
Thank you po.
Who are some of the women?